Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all lovely viewers and my YouTube family. Hope so. You all are doing great, and yeah, I'm also fine, friends. Now I'm going to share with you all products about these products from Daraz, and now I'm going to share with you one by one all products. If you know about more products, more details, so let me know. Okay, friends, now my first one is this is a facial kit, Christine facial kit, and trust me, this facial is I'm in love with this facial because my sister-in-law she already used this product, so I really like this product. Now I'm going to share with you these false lashes, and friend, I don't like this lashes, and I'm not satisfied, so it's not good for me. And if you are new here, please like my video, subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon for more updates. Okay, friends, now going to share with you another parcel. This is a finger wax, friends. It's really good, and I really like this finger wax. I already use this product. My sister-in-law loves this product, so I like it. Now going to share with you another parcel. These are 15 rings, and it's really reasonable price. I really like it. And these all three are rice gel, rice serum, and face mask sheet. These all are really good, and I like it, friends, because nowadays I'm using these products. Now I'm going to share with you an other parcel, and these parcels are, let me know, this is a lash glue, and it's really good. I need this product, so friends. Okay, now going to share with you another parcel, but first, if you are new here, please like my video, subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks, friends, for supporting, for your love. Now going to share with you another parcel. This parcel is my favorite, friends, because first one is this is a Dr. Rachel serum, and now second one is aloe vera gel. Now, friends, unboxing another parcel. This is a eye serum. If you are new here, please like my video, subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon for more updates. Now you can see here, and this is an awesome serum, friends, trust me. Now going to share with you all products. I'm showing you all products now. You can see here, this is a face mask sheet, rice serum, and this is yeah, eye serum, and also rice serum, you can see here. And Dr. Rachel vitamin C aloe vera gel, and I'm showing you one by one all products. See here, hope so you will like it. If you like my video, please share this video and take care. Allah Hafiz.